It's the ultimate travel guide from the people who know it best. Weekends with Yankee. First stop this week is the island of Nantucket, off the coast of Massachusetts. It's a beautiful island paradise, full of small shops and sandy beaches. This is also known as one of the preppiest spots in New England, with residents and visitors sporting their vineyard vines, Lily Pulitzers, and Nantucket Reds. We invited author Lisa Birnbach,
Such a beautiful place.
who wrote the original Preppy Handbook, to bring us to the ultimate in Preppy, Murray's Toggery, where Amy and Richard decided to try on a few outfits.
Welcome to Murray's.
It's the mothership of Preppy.
It is. It is. Be still my heart.
I see every single iconic Preppy clothing item. The seersucker jacket, the Nantucket Reds over
Madras,
there.
it's all here.
Madras was never dead.
I'm Lisa Birnbach. I'm a writer. I wrote the Preppy Handbook in 1980 and True Prep in 2010. And I know a thing or two about preppies. It's everything you could possibly want in one place, and I want everything.
I do too.
Murray's Toggery is the epitome of Nantucket style, and this store has been here forever. When you walk in, you feel the spirit of Nantucket.
Preppy to me is an attitude of comfort and ease wherever you are. It's an attitude of carelessness. Could be studied carelessness, but carelessness in which you just throw on what's closest to you. And, oh, it may be pink and green. It may be 3 different navy blue items, but it's casual and it's well-made, durable. Preppy is somebody who doesn't show off, could be very cheap, and may have no new ideas because they're just repeating what Mommy and Daddy taught them. Here is...
Oh, well, this is it.
Yeah, this is it. This is a
the
shrine.
Part of the temple.
Well, yes, because the Nantucket Red concept originated right here, maybe even right here. There are great preppy stores all over America and now all around the world, but nobody sells Nantucket Reds except for Murray's. Or nobody sells real Nantucket Reds.
And there's the label to prove it.
This is it. It doesn't get better than this. Nantucket is an epicenter, a mecca of preppiness. It's an island in New England. New England is where preppy started in this country. It's the home, it's the motherland. And in this store, I'm in the motherland's mother. That's the thing about dressing preppy. When you're properly dressed, you can go from a swimming pool to the dock to class to cocktail party to an admissions meeting.
So preppies are people traditionally.
Traditionally, preppies were guys who went to prep school.
So preppy has a certain elitism associated with it. And going back to the 80s when you wrote your book, has that changed? I mean, can anybody be a prep now?
I'm going to quote myself. In a true democracy, everyone can be a preppy. You can make preppy into an elitist bubble, but I prefer not to.
What are the essential pieces that any prep must have in his or her wardrobe?
Well, we all need khakis. We need khaki in every form. We need boat shoes.
Right.
You need a lot of gear. Preppies love gear. One other concept in preppy clothing is bright colors. So pink and green is kind of the monumental color combination of preppies. You know, the idea is there's nothing too bright.
It would be impossible to be at Murray's and not want to look preppy. So how could you make me look preppy and obviously
Preppier.
Preppier, in your case. Yes, well, come with me. I'm going to find you perfect preppy outfits.
Okay.
So how about this, this and those shorts.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, this. Something like this.
Cute.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like a kid in a candy store here.
This is
True.
classics.
Yeah. Okay, this says brunch, maybe touch football after.
You look like someone I know. You look like everyone I know.
Thanks.
Could I look more preppy?
No, you look perfect.
I like it.
You can go to the farmer's market. You're wearing your pearls.
My espadrilles, my seersucker, got the whole thing.
Yeah. Good work.
Hello, twin.
Oh my God, you look great.
You look greater.
You both look terrific, and you're wearing layers, and you blend into Nantucket. In fact, you're almost invisible. Do you feel like you've learned anything?
I feel like I've learned to pull out my grandmother's old pearls and start wearing them again. They
Yes.
really dress up anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
And
you?
I've learned that being preppy is like the universe. There was no beginning and there is no end.
There is no end. There is no end. And when you wear this, you can go anywhere.
Well, now that I am dressed for Nantucket, I want to go out and explore Nantucket.
Excellent.
All right, let's go. You want to come?
I'm just gonna look in the mirror.